Well, today we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating natural phenomena in the world, two oceans that don't mix. For centuries, people have been baffled by the sight of two oceans coming together without blending into each other. In this video, we will explore the history behind this mystery and explain the science behind this natural phenomenon. The phenomenon of two oceans meeting without mixing has been recorded in several parts of the world. One of the most famous examples is the Gulf of Alaska, where the Pacific Ocean and the Gulf of Alaska meet. Here, the two bodies of water meet but don't mix, creating a visible land between them. Similarly, the Atlantic Ocean and then the Caribbean Sea meet at the Gulf of Mexico, forming two visible lines between them. The ancient Greeks were the first to document this phenomenon in their mythology. According to the Greeks, there were two sea gods, Pontus and Thalassa. Pontus was the god of Black Sea, while Thalassa was the goddess of the Mediterranean Sea. The two gods were married and created a son named Triton. It was believed that the two seas did not mix because Triton was holding them about. In the 19th century, scientific expeditions began to explore this phenomenon more closely. One of the most famous explorers was Matthew Fontaine-Mary, who served in the US Navy. Mary studied ocean currents and then the mixing of seawater and discovered that the phenomenon of two oceans meeting without mixing was due to differences in the salinity and temperature. The Gulf of Alaska is a prime example of this. The Pacific Ocean is saltier and colder than the Gulf of Alaska, which is the warmer and fresher. The differences in temperature and then the salinity causes the two bodies of water to remain separate, creating a visible line between them. In addition to the Gulf of Alaska and the Gulf of Mexico, there are other places around the world where two oceans meet without mixing. The southern tips of the South Africa is one such location where the Atlantic and Indian Ocean meet. Here, the mixing of two oceans is derailed by the strong currents and then the differences in temperature and salinity. Another fascinating example is the meeting point of the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden in the Middle East. The Red Sea is saltier and denser than the Gulf of Aden, which is warmer and fresher. These create a visible land between the two bodies of water, where the denser Red Sea water sinks below the Gulf of Aden water. Scientists continue to study this natural phenomenon as it has important implications for ocean circulation and climate. The mixing of seawater plays a crucial role in the global ocean current, which in turn influence the Earth's climate. Understanding how and why two oceans meet without mixing can help us better understand ocean circulation and its effect on climate. So there you have it, the history and science behind two oceans that don't mix. This natural phenomenon has fascinated people for centuries and has been the subject of many myths and legends. But now we know that it's all due to differences in temperature and salinity. Two oceans that don't mix may seem like a mystery, but it's all due to the differences in temperature and salinity. This natural phenomenon has captured our imagination for centuries and it continues to fascinate scientists today. By studying these phenomena, we can learn more about the ocean circulation and how it affects our climate. We hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Don't forget to like it and subscribe for more fascinating science videos.